Hi, and welcome to the section about cloud platforms. In this section, we'll cover the most widely used cloud platforms and how to use them in practice. The main benefit of using a cloud platform is flexibility. Imagine you were running a website selling Christmas trees. In December, you'd get massive amounts of traffic, and in January, your store would be practically empty. If you were running in a physical data center where it takes weeks or months to scale up your capacity, you'd end up running with capacity to accommodate your December visitors all year. This means wasting a lot of money on servers that sit unused most of the year. Now, think about the same site on a modern cloud platform where resources are available to you whenever you need them. You can be running a single server in January and scale up to 100 servers in December to meet the demand. You can do this automatically, plus you only pay for what you use. The following lessons discuss some of the most popular cloud platforms. Finally, we'll be doing a comparison to help you identify the key differences between them.